In this video, we are going to generate the surface model of example 30 drawing attached with this lecture. You can see here, this is the example 30 drawing for which we are going to generate the surface model. This is the surface model that we are going to make. I'll click on this surface and hide. You can see. Swap visible spaces. This surface is hidden. Hide it here. And you can see this is the model that we are going to make. We'll close this file and open a new file. Now let us start by first selecting this plane and creating a sketch. I'll create only a line, a single line. I'll give a dimension to this line as 50. I'll take dimensioning again. From this point to horizontal, I'll give a value of 25. Next, from this axis to this line, I'll give a dimension of 50 divided by 2 because this is the radius. I'm going to create a cylinder. Exit the workbench. Revolve this section about, right click here and we can select Z axis. We'll give a value of 360 degrees. Click on OK. You can see a cylindrical surface has formed. Now we'll take this plane, we'll go to sketch, take profile and make a rough sketch, something like this. Press the escape key to exit from the command. Now we'll take this point and this axis. Coincidence. Double click on dimensioning. From this line to this axis, this is of value 25 divided by 2, which is the radius. From this line to this axis, this is of value 32 divided by 2, and from here to this axis, this length is 180. From this vertical to this line, this is of value 50. You can see we have formed the sketch which is open. Now exit workbench. We'll take revolve, select this section and we will take this as the revolution axis. You can see the surface has formed. Click on OK. Now what we will do is, I'll go to insert, operation, symmetry. This element about this plane. You can see here, this is a mirror geometry. Here it is called symmetry. You have to just select the object and the plane, and the object will be mirror about this plane. You can hide or show the initial element. I'll click on OK. You can see. Now I will take insert, operations and trim. This surface and this surface. You can see. You can select the surface which you want to keep. Click on OK. Similarly, I'll take insert, operation, trim again. This surface and this surface. Click on OK. You can see here. Now again I'll take this plane. Select on the profile tool and select somewhere here, here. Create a rough profile, something like this. We'll take this point and this point of the line. Coincidence. Again this point and this point of the line and coincidence. You can see here. Now double click on dimensioning from here to this. This is 10 mm. From this line to this vertical, this radius is 32 divided by 2, 16. Again, this line to vertical. This radius is 40 divided by 2, 20. You can see we have formed a fully constrained geometry. Now exit workbench. Now click on revolve. Select this sketch. About, you can select the revolution axis as this V axis. It is only selecting the single line. I'll cancel. Now we'll select revolve again. We'll select this sketch. And here I can right click and create a line, or I can also select Z axis. Click on OK. You can see here we have formed our surface model. I'll hide these lines, hide this line and hide this profile. Also I'll hide this sketch. You can see we have created the required surface model of our drawing. This is the surface model. If you want to convert this into a solid model, then you have to use a trick which we are going to discuss now. The first requirement of this conversion process is all the surfaces should be a single surface. So we have to join all the surfaces. Click on join. Select this surface and select this surface. Click on OK. To know if they are joined or not, you have to select any surface and click on hide or show. The complete model should hide so that you can know it is joined. We'll click on undo to get our model back. We'll go to start, mechanical design, part design, and we'll select this plane. You can select any plane and create a block. For that, we will require a rectangle. You have to create a sketch bounding this entire surface. Let us constrain it. Coincide here. Coincide here. Click on this line and this edge. Coincide. You can see. Now exit workbench. We'll create a block. Somewhere this side we can create a mirror extent. Click on OK. You can see here we have created a solid block. Now we'll go to insert, surface base feature, split. About, you can select the surface here, or you can also go to the navigator and select on this join. You want to create the material inside or outside. We want inside. Click on OK. You can see here we are not able to see the solid model. Just select this surface and hide it here. You can see here. When you click on swap visible space, one model is hidden and one model is in the visible space. This is the solid model and this is the surface model. We'll hide it here. And here, to hide the solid model, click on hide and select this pad. It will be hidden here. Now we will swap the visual space. You can see this is the solid model that we have created using the surface model that we had created. So this is how you can convert a surface model to solid model.